here we 20 pounds of cowbells. These machines here are made in the dairy state of Wisconsin, so we decided to try washing some of these and we'll see what happens. The machine should be fine. You're gonna start to see the cowbells fall apart. The little dinger is gonna probably fall off. See, some of them will probably start stacking together. This is a brand new machine, TR7. Same thing that you would get if you went down to a store to buy one. Obviously, we've modified it so that you can view what's going on inside. We're gonna run it for 24/7 live so that you can all watch and see what it's doing. We have an hour meter mounted on the side of it so that you can see how many hours it's been running washing this boat. We're doing this test to show you how strong our machine is and what it can handle. All right, well, let's dump these in and get it started. We'll see you in a month. Well, here we are. We're at the end of the month with the cowbells. We have 653 hours on it, and we're gonna take a look at the load to see what it looks like. All the handles are smashed. Some of them are actually rusted right together. Bits and pieces. The machine has ran for a whole month and no issues with the machine at all. There is some small dings in the tub from the metal on metal. The cowbells here have rusted and it's caused some discoloration on the agitator, but our stainless steel tub is still fine. Stay tuned to see what we do next month. We'll be live streaming out for you guys marbles.